Okay, um, I went back to California after finishing one wall and a couple of panels on another wall, and I haven't made a recording since. Just thought I would hover around a little bit and show you the building now that three walls are complete and covered. I have just the front left to do. I rented a lift in order to make it easier to put panels up. Had a little bit of help on some of the taller stuff. It helps to have two people. And this is what things are looking like now. Appreciate you taking a moment to listen. And it's amazing how little things can keep you busy to where you don't even have time to talk. Have a great day.